Hey YouTube, you probably ain't gonna believe that. Come out here hunting again this morning. I'm hot, I'm tired, I'm sweaty. It's turned back all kind of hot this morning. I think today's the 5th, I believe, in November. Anyhow, I saw 2 bucks this morning. One of them a nice 8-point, and later on this came out. Anyhow, I've had to drag, I don't know how far, tracking and all that, so I didn't get no footage of me dragging him and all that. But whew, he's a big healthy buck. Neck still swole. He ain't all that wide, but he's got a good high set of horn. I mean, that's a long point right there. Anyhow, the bucks are still trying to rut some, even though it's hot. Turn back off hot. It's supposed to turn cool again the weekend. But yeah, he's right nice buck. If he was wider, he would be nice. Them horns sitting high up on the head. This may be the one I was thinking been the monster, but there are other bucks in here bigger than that. There's some nice bucks out here. But anyhow, that was my hunt for this morning. The other buck's 8-point, but I believe he's wider than that there. He's got a high set, but his points I don't think is quite as long as that 1 point. But the other buck's got long points on him also. But I don't know if he's a heavier bodied deer like that there. That's a heavy bodied buck. That was all I could do to pull him up in the truck. He lost weight though from the rut. But he got a big chest. But anyhow, appreciate y'all watching, tuning in, and following the channel and everything. But now to get home, start cleaning and skinning. If I keep running up with them like that this week, I'll be give up by the end of the week. But anyhow, if you're a first-time viewer, be sure to hit that subscribe button at the bottom to keep up with the channel. We'll see you next time, YouTube.